everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking all about beauty supplements. So the beauty supplements can range from something like a drink or gummies or just plain, tablet, capsule kind of supplements. So what I mean by supplement is that something that you take orally. So that is what we're going to be talking about today. So let's just dive right into it and see if we actually need beauty supplements or not. I have my notebook right here. I of course always have my notebook. The first beauty supplement that I wanted to talk about is the oh so famous collagen drink. So it can be collagen drink, it can be collagen gummy, it can be anything collagen that you take orally. Okay, do you need collagen drink? The short answer is no, actually you don't need a collagen drink, and if anything it doesn't really do that much for you. The reason why you don't need it is because most of the collagen drinks or collagen gummies or whatever it is, they contain collagen peptides. So they may argue and say that collagen peptides is used because they are being broken down, and so it's going to be easier to be absorbed by your body. But in this case, actually it's it's true that it's like absorbed, but then at the same time they are like not transferred enough to our skin to actually make any impact onto our skin. So the purpose of this collagen in this case is it's already broken because it's so small. It's already a peptide, so when it travels to our digestive system, it's already done being broken. So maybe like a tiny trace of collagen can make it through your skin, which it doesn't make any difference at all. If you actually want to have collagen on your collagen nutrition on your skin, it's best to either you take retinol or you can also take the normal collagen cream or mask or anything like that, because at least they give a better benefit. They give actual benefit to your skin rather than drinking or eating collagen. Instead of getting a collagen drink, maybe you should try drinking bone broth, because bone broth has it doesn't contain collagen peptide. It has much higher concentrate in collagen, so it can actually travel through and reach your skin and actually do something for your skin. And it also has some other benefits for your body. It has vitamins as well, so it's better that you take bone broth instead of collagen drink. So the next one we're going to talk about is acai berry stuff, acai berry capsules, drinks, whatever that is. And a lot of people have been claiming that acai berry can actually improve their skin, or maybe they promote acai berry for slimming. Well, we're gonna talk about if we need acai berry or not. Acai berry is mainly used for general health. It has nutrients and vitamins, but those nutrients and vitamins are generally good for health. But then again, the logic is that if your body is healthy, most of the time your skin's gonna be healthy too. And so but if you are expecting for example, your skin's gonna have a brighter complexion, or your weight loses, for example, 10 kilograms in a month or something like that, no, acai berry is not gonna do that for you. There is a very limited research that shows that acai berry can actually slim down your body or even improve complexion, because again, acai berry is mainly good for general health. So there is no harm in consuming acai berry, because you still get the vitamins anyway. Yes, you do need acai berry, but not for slimming, not for skin health. Okay. Alright, so the next one that we're going to talk about is a skinny coffee. Do you actually need a skinny coffee? The real answer for that is no, you don't need a skinny coffee. Skinny coffee don't burn any fat. And then the reason why companies make this claim that the coffee can actually make you slim is because it contains CGA. CGA is a chlorogenic acid, and the amount, but then again, the amount of chlorogenic acid to lose weight is undefined. It actually ranges very differently from each person. Like, it's kind of like a lottery, you know, like it might give you that weight loss, but it doesn't. So it's like there is no certain reason why it worked. There's no certain reason why it doesn't work. It's kind of like lottery. Like, if you're lucky, then you get it. If you are not lucky, then you don't get it. And then another thing to mention is that most of the research that says that skinny coffee is efficient and it's effective, the study that mentioned that are actually the study that is financially supported by skinny coffee companies, you know, so it does tell you something about it. In Malaysia, I know that there is one product that I'm going to talk about. This is a skinny coffee. So when you take a look at the ingredients kind of funny in a way. They actually have instant coffee, they have creamer, and they have Garcinia leaf extract. Honestly, Garcinia leaf extract does give a lot of nutrition in your body, but then again, the coffee doesn't actually do anything. So it's kind of funny that the one that makes it work is the Garcinia, but then they label it as skinny coffee. So instead of buying that skinny coffee, why not you just get a Garcinia vitamin or something like that, a Garcinia drink or anything like that. I mean, that is even more concentrate, and it actually does something for your body. And then the other thing that I wanted to mention is that some skinny coffee, they say that they contain green coffee. Green coffee is basically normal coffee bean. It's just that it's too young to be used as a coffee, and so they take it out and then they hype it around and they say green coffee, this is really good for slimming or something like that. Usually it lets you to kind of poop easier. It's kind of like prune juice, you know, like if you're feeling constipated, then you drink prune juice, and and so it's easier for you to let it all out, you know. And so this is the kind of claim that they say that this particular action can actually make you lose weight. Well, it's not really true, because the thing is, if that can actually make you lose weight, then might as well you drink milk, or maybe you drink some yogurt that is much cheaper than that. And actually, if that is true, then a lot of people who drink milk and eat yogurt, they should be all slim by now. Poop doesn't really help you to lose weight, actually. Sometimes maybe it looks like it loses weight, like oh, you poop so constantly, it actually causes you diarrhea, but but then you take it as it makes you poop constantly and it helps you lose weight. Well, it's just that your body not being healthy, that's why you lose weight. It's like, you know, like some people, when they have certain disease and their body is weak, their body is losing a lot of nutrition, they lose weight too. So this is what I mean by that, is that if you lose nutrient, yes, you lose weight, but you know, you lose nutrients and your body is not being healthy. I don't recommend you guys getting green coffee, skinny coffee. So the next one is detox tea. So this is quite interesting. It's kind of funny in a way, because it's like, oh, look at this product that helps your natural healthy organ to do their usual job that they have been doing. Like, for example, if I have a working healthy lung, there's this product that helped me to breathe. It's like, why do we even buy it in the first place, you know? So what I mean by this kind of detox tea is that our body already detox by itself. If you do have like a healthy normal body, it actually your body is already detoxing for you. You don't really need like a detox tea, detox supplement, detox sticker that you put on your feet or something like that. But when I take a look at the ingredients, so I take this one product that is quite famous and it's commonly available here in Malaysia. It kind of does the same as the green coffee kind of thing. It does have this tea leaf that encourages you to poop. They have this tea leaf that, well, in my country, in Indonesia, we call it teh daun jati. This tea has been very famously known for causing you to poop. So this kind of tea leaf, it actually, well, in a way, it does detox, because pooping is detoxing, you know, it's your natural body detoxing. So yes, it's true that it detoxes, but we don't actually need it because we are fine on our own. We don't really need a tea to detox, you know, like for us normal healthy people with working organs. No, we don't really need any of that. Okay, and then the next ingredient that I spotted in this kind of detox tea is called Pholium nelumbo nucifera. So this is commonly called the Indian lotus. If you try to Google it a little bit, there is like a journal or a research or a study that tells you that, oh, it is proven to lose weight because it somehow prevent the formation of fat. For example, it says something like that. But then when you read through it, when you read how they achieve this result, how they conduct the study, they actually use rats. So when I read the study, it was kind of funny because, as far as I'm concerned, we're not rats. So yeah, so that's why I kind of feel like, well, but you still need to test it on human though, like, and to see if it actually works. And when they do this study, actually they also combine it with tharium, if that's what it's called. So they don't just boil this Indian lotus leaf and get a tea out of it. They also mix it with some other ingredient. So, but then in the this kind of detox tea is that they don't have this other ingredient that makes this tea leaf is going to be working in a sense. And okay, and then the next one that I wanted to talk about is the right supplement for skin. So I don't actually know a lot of supplement that is like good for skin, because I'm not that kind of person who drinks supplement for skin or slimming or anything like that. I drink supplement because I do have a bad diet. I eat very badly, so that's why I need a supplement. I'm lacking of all these vitamins, you know. But some of these vitamins that I drink, they do have some benefits for the skin, and I think it's best to recommend you guys about it. And so supplement that I wanted to talk about is evening primrose oil with vitamin E. So both vitamin E and evening primrose oil, they are also good for the skin. They're good for the body, and they also have benefits for the skin. So that's why I tend to drink one of these. I mean, you can actually buy other brands, it doesn't matter. And so let me tell you the benefits of evening primrose oil and vitamin E. So evening primrose oil, it's actually kind of a very good vitamin for women. So as you guys already know, another thing that it's good for is that it's also good for skin. So it's kind of like an anti-inflammatory as well. So if you are like dealing with redness on your skin, if you are dealing with acne or stuff like that, then evening primrose oil is good for your skin. So yeah, I would recommend that for you. And then the vitamin E is also a great antioxidant. So if you wanted your skin to be healthy, free from like free radicals and stuff like that, then I think you should also take vitamin E as well, but don't take too much, because vitamin E, when it's taken too much, it may lead to other kind of danger to your body. So the if I'm not mistaken, the limit of intake for vitamin E is about 15 milligrams, if I'm not mistaken. Again, you probably wanted to Google this, but this particular one that I'm drinking, it actually has 15 international units. So 15 international unit is kind of like probably the lowest, most acceptable amount. So I don't worry about drinking this probably once or twice a day, because I mean the number of vitamin E here is not that much. Evening primrose oil also promotes hydration or moisture on your skin, and vitamin E is a really great anti-inflammatory for your skin. And the way it works is that it is broken down and then it is distributed through the oil or sebum production in your face. So for example, if you do have like a oily skin, you notice that you have sebaceous glands, and those sebaceous glands are the ones that have that carries like the benefit of this vitamin E. So that is also something that you wanted to know about, because sometimes we think sebaceous glands as whitehead. So it's probably best to learn more about the difference between these two, and yeah, don't just simply like pluck everything on your face, So yeah, it's actually very, very simple and straightforward. I don't think I even actually need to make this kind of video, but then again, I just wanted to, like, sometimes we do need like a good old reminder for things. But that's all the video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this kind of video, maybe you can consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.